The red blinking light on a Sonos speaker indicates that the device has been disconnected from a Sonos system for an extended period, typically at least 30 minutes. To resolve this issue, the most effective solution is to reboot the Sonos product. This can be done by disconnecting the device from its power supply for at least 10 seconds. Then replugging it and allowing it to boot up for another 10 minutes. However, for certain models, such as the Roam SL and Move series, a different reboot procedure is required. For these models, the product should be disconnected from its charging cables and wireless chargers, and the button at the back of the appliance should be long pressed until it turns off. After waiting 10 seconds, the button should be long pressed again to turn the appliance back on. Similarly, for the Move series, the product should be disconnected from its charging base, and the standby button should be long pressed to turn it off. Then waited for 10 seconds before pressing the power button or remounting it to the charging base. To power it on, by following these steps, the red blinking light should be resolved, and the Sonos speaker should function properly again.